Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Wow, what this week gone. So happy Friday to you guys. I hope you're having a fabulous week and you are ready for a fabulous weekend. So today, Friday freebie, going to share in just a minute. We will share the page that you are going to receive today. Just follow the instruction on how to get the freebie at the end of the video so you're not going forward. I know I repeat on every Friday, but to all those that are new, welcome and thank you for subscribing. You know how to get them. Before we crack on, just want to say a massive, big thank you to every single one of you that recently joined the channel, but mostly to every single one of you that has been with me for a very long time. It's been almost like 2.5 years on YouTube now, so you are part of this journey, and I just want to take this opportunity to thank every single one of you. And giveaways and freebies like Friday's freebies are my way to say thank you and give you something back to you guys for all your love and support. And I always think in life, the happiest people are the ones that giving more, not the ones that are receiving more. And this is what I always believed. It's always nice to give and give rather than receive all the time. Right guys, I hope you will enjoy the page for today. Little secret, I have mentioned this page on Monday's video, but keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back to Friday freebie. I know how much you love a Friday freebie. I do love it too, and there is a playlist on my channel as well. I will put the link down below. There is all the playlist. I put all the Friday freebies together so you guys can go and check them out. So today I am gifting you, yes, you guessed well, this page. I showed this kit on Monday's video, so if you're not sure, go back and review and watch the Monday's video. This is part of my Halloween kit. It's not for sale on my website, it's only for the VIP members. I decided this year not to do a lot of VIP Halloween kits. In fact, I only designed one, and this is only going out to my VIP members, so please consider joining today. You can join the VIP members every time of the week. As I said on Monday video, you don't have to join the first of the month. You can join any time of the month. You get the kit no matter what days you join. You get 1 or 2 kits a month. Sometimes it's 1, sometimes it's 2. Some months are more than 1, that's for sure. And then you get 20% of bespoke offer that you can enjoy anything from our website. You get a flat 20% off everything that you want, and also every month you got a bespoke offer that only is valid for my VIP members, so no other members will join it, just the VIP members. So I just want to quickly show you the kit. Again, I've done a video Monday, but I love this kit, and I know how much the feedback from that Monday video has been phenomenal, so I just want to say thank you for that as well. I'm not a big fan of Halloween, I must admit. It's simply because I grew up in Italy, and in a country that we don't really celebrate Halloween a lot if you compare to maybe other countries like America, Australia, other bigger countries that do celebrate that. Before we go, I just want to showcase and share with you guys a lovely comment from Nancy. In regard that she loved the tags I made last week. She's always so kind. I just put the message on the screen, and on every video I want to share your messages, guys, because that means a lot to me. I read and reply to every single message that you guys leave on the channel, and that means a lot to me. And I also want to share a post on my Facebook group from Irene. I mentioned in a few videos ago, I kind of mentioned and shared the recipe of my apple and cinnamon cookies. So Irene watched the video and she said she was going to make them, and she made them. So I shared the post on my Facebook page, so my Facebook group, so you guys can see it. Okay guys, so this is the post from Irene. I followed Antonio's recipes for apple and cinnamon cookies. They might not look much, but they taste lovely. I think they do look really nice. and I can kind of, it's weird because I can so taste the cinnamon. I can see that cinnamon grounds, yummy, yummy, yummy. So yeah, little recipe for the weekend for you guys. While I'm here, I just want to share where do you find your freebies. So if you click on more files, down here, see, that is the list for all the freebies I have shared in the last couple of years. If you're after something specific, you just search it here and then that will come up. But you can download one by one, all in PDF, so it's so easy to download on your laptop. Okay guys, so now you've seen where you find my freebies, so you can't get it wrong. Guys, yeah, so how to get the freebies. As you've seen, you can join my Facebook group and you get them every week, or simply, and it's quicker, you can join my newsletter. I send one email every Friday, 9 p.m. with some news, weekly news, and there is always an offer specifically to the newsletter members. So it's really worth joining and it's free. You get the freebie attached to the email. So every Friday you get an email from me and that is the freebie inside. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So it's all done for you. If you want to receive the entire collection of my freebies, there is tons and tons and tons. Follow the email that is in the info box and I'll send you all the PDFs. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely weekend, and until Monday, stay safe and well.